Stop Microsoft Word 2010 from smoothing screenshots. When I insert JPEG screenshots into Microsoft Word, it smooths them instead of preserving the original pixels from the bitmap. When I then print to PDF, using Acrobat Distiller, depending on my downsample settings, I either get blurry screenshots or hugely bloated file sizes. What I want? I would like Word and Acrobat to leave the bitmaps alone so that they make it through the process with their pixels intact. This is what the original image looks like when you zoom in. What I get? This is what the Word document looks like when you insert the same image and zoom in. When this is printed to PDF, all those extra pixels result in a much larger file. Sample files. Test.png, 56K, a sample screenshot image file. Test.docx, 69K, a Word file containing nothing but this image. Test.pdf, 9.4 MB, a PDF file printed from the Word file using Distiller, with all downsampling turned off. Test2.pdf, 98K, a PDF file generated using Word 2010 Save as PDF tool. Note the very low quality of the compressed image. Edit, this is with Word 2010, I've updated the tags to reflect that. Edit, I've confirmed that OpenOffice doesn't have this problem. I've opened test.docx, referenced above, and exported it as a PDF from OO, choosing lossless compression under images in the options, and the image comes through unharmed. Test_oo.pdf. Unfortunately, OpenOffice mangles the formatting on more complex Word documents that I've created, so I can't just create the documents in Word and use OO to render the PDF as. I'd have to switch to OO altogether, which is a bigger step than I'm prepared to take right now.
Word maybe just renders upscaled image and sends it that way as printer input. I presume that Distiller works as a printer. If so, then it's good for normal printers, but inefficient for fake printers producing PDF files. For instance, Flatex properly embeds image in output file. Check my PDF uploaded to min.s gallery, embedding image in LaTeX document. Important thing is what PDF producing stack you are using. If trying other PDF printer, like Great and Free Creator, does not fix the problem, then you should try using dedicated PDF export, i.e. not working as a printer. As far as I know, recent Word versions have PDF export built in, so if it is properly implemented, then you will get small file, thanks to embedding images used in the document. Huge edit. Gallery has been renamed to embedding PNG image in LaTeX versus Word. I've looked more thoroughly at my Midas.pdf, generated by Flatex, and your test2.pdf, generated by Word. Midas.pdf, test2.pdf. Let's start with uncompressing. If you look into uncompressed file, you'll easily spot beginning of the image stream, and lt semicolon and lt, and gt semicolon and gt, stream, line with width and height parameters, same as in, test.png, i.e. 176 by 295, which ends with in-stream tag. Peak time. Warning: at this point PDFTK is assumed to be in version 1.41. Test2.pdf. So Word is giving JPEG instead of PNG on its internal output for further PDF processing. Just wow! Same thing may happen when sending output to printer. Test2stream.jpg. Midas.pdf. It's not COM file, but it's not PNG either. You see it now? Image stream, of PNG, from PDF produced by Flatex's possibly simple raw format, 176 times 295 times 3 equals 155760, 1 comes from superfluous newline. Let's check it. And we have our original image back. No, wait. It looks that PDFTK 1.41 uncompression is buggy and image was almost the same with a few flaws. I upgraded to PDFTK 1.44, but this version does not decompress image stream at all. Moreover, PDFTK does not output stream dictionary in one line, so above extraction using said no longer works, but there is no point in fixing it now. So what we can do about Word? Not much, methinks. At least you can transplant embedded image from one PDF to another. I repeated uncompression of both PDFs using recent PDFTK, opened them in them, replaced in, test2uc.pdf, and lt semicolon and lt, and gt semicolon and gt, stream and stream, with counterpart from, mitestack.pdf, saved as, test2fixac.pdf, and compressed to, test2fix.pdf. Test2fix.pdf. Test.pdf. It would be a sin not checking your big PDF after all. Okay, I've prepared another one-liner to play with PDFTK 1.44 uncompressed PDFs to list image streams and their beginning lines and files. So I'll start with uncompressing, test.pdf. Warning: at this point PDFTK is assumed to be in version 1.44. Something is really insane here. 6 raw images. Apparently this time PDFTK did not have any problems in uncompressing them, taking together 43,444,452 bytes. Let's recheck, test2uc.pdf, and, mitestack.pdf. In both cases only one image stream. Why the heck there could be more of them? Image was cut to many pieces. It looks like some kind of utterly stupid protection, maybe introduced by distiller, and maybe it can be turned off. I doubt same thing would be spitted by creator, unless it's Word who performs this unbelievable insanity. Testjuke-stream1.png and others, use right arrow to navigate. Conclusion. Important things are: you can clearly see, that huge image that was cut into pieces is actually upscaled JPEG, so my hypothesis was correct. Because in Creator you get also huge file in the output, it's the Word who provides awfully big image to the fake PDF printer, and my earlier supposition was also correct. Phew. This investigation took some time. Word is piece of junk. Workarounds. In the meantime, some suggestions were given. Let me comment them. Using Writer with decent PDF support like LibreOffice, forget about OpenOffice, it's obsoleted now, is good solution, unless some incompatibilities make you unable to work with it. Using bigger image in same box on the page is also not that bad idea, because even after JPEG-izing, artifacts will be less visible. My another grosh though is using JPEG from the beginning. That way Word shouldn't recompress it, you never know, and you can provide highest possible quality of JPEG. There is also lossless JPEG compression. Developers from Redmond presumably thought it's not needed, so I won't be surprised if Word doesn't handle such JPEGs. Well, TBH, it's not widely supported, even in open source world, just like arithmetic coding, or it's rather even worse situation in case of arithmetic coding. In Windows, use 416 instead of this $arithmetic expansion available in POSIX shells. I think that default Mitchell is good one for upscaling, but if you really want such pixelatic image, then go with box as adobeacrobat suggested. Of course, first two files are useful only if you must, for some reason, use fake PDF printers. I've uploaded all three files. Test 300 to be Mitchell.jpg, 426 kilobits test 300 to box.jpg, 581 kilobits test.jpg, 74 kilobits. If my hypothesis is right and Word won't recompress JPEG image, then just use the last one not upscaled and go with built-in PDF output, because it has less shortcomings, at least it avoids needless upscale.
It looks like Microsoft Word Zoom feature uses bilinear filtering. This should not change the image itself, but only how it is displayed at magnifications other than 100%. What you want is nearest neighbor scaling, but I doubt MS Word has an option for that.
It is probably the most easiest solution to scale the original images to 300p or whatever resolution you use during your PDF export. ImageMagic's Convert program can do it. For example, the original image has a width of 176 pixels. If you want to scale it to 4" at 300p, the target width is 1200 pixel. This will do it. I have experienced that it is always better to prevent Microsoft products from trying to think what might be good for you. It is always better to decide it on your own.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.